Discover how hashtags can revolutionize your real estate operations. By categorizing contacts, you can streamline communication and enhance productivity. Let's dive into how this powerful feature works. Ever felt overwhelmed by your contact list? Imagine transforming chaos into clarity with a simple tool. Hashtags in BoldTrail are your secret weapon for efficient contact management, making organization effortless and intuitive. Create unlimited hashtags to categorize your contacts effectively. This flexibility allows you to tailor your system to your unique needs, ensuring every contact is just a click away. Filter and communicate with specific groups instantly using hashtags. Imagine sending targeted messages to buyers or sellers with ease. Setting up and managing your hashtag system is simpler than you think. Set up hashtags to automatically apply to new leads and contacts. This automation saves time and ensures consistency across your contact list, enhancing your workflow. Trigger additional actions within BoldTrail using hashtags. Streamline your processes and focus on what truly matters, closing deals and building relationships. Recap: hashtags help you organize, automate, and optimize your contact management. By mastering hashtags, you'll enhance your efficiency and communication, making your real estate operations smoother. Start creating your hashtag system today and see the difference. Take control of your contacts and elevate your real estate business to new heights. Let's get started. Make sure and scroll down below to access the step-by-step guide.